Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 总 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 总 always total in every case. For example, 总是 always. She always cares about losing her job. 她总是担心丢掉工作。She always cares about losing her job.她总是担心丢掉工作。她总是担心 cares about worry 丢掉工作。She always cares about losing her job. 她总是担心丢掉工作。My daily handwriting on the character 总。总 always total in every case 总是 always. She always cares about losing her job. 她总是担心丢掉工作。总 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 总. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.